This delicious Kıymalı Fırında Makarna takes about 1 hour to prepare and serves 6 people. This Turkish baked pasta features tender penne coated in a rich, savory ground beef and tomato sauce, layered with a silky, spiced béchamel and topped with melted golden kaşar cheese. It's a hearty, comforting dish bursting with flavor, perfect for family dinners or gatherings that will have everyone asking for seconds. Let's now check the ingredients. 400 grams penne or rigatoni pasta. Salt for pasta water. 2 tablespoons olive oil plus more for tossing. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 400 grams ground beef, kıyma. 1 tablespoon tomato paste, domates salçası. 1 can, 400 grams crushed tomatoes. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. Half a teaspoon pul biber, Turkish red pepper flakes, or to taste. 1 teaspoon dried oregano or thyme. 1 teaspoon salt plus more to taste. Half a teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, optional. 3 tablespoons unsalted butter for Béchamel. 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour for Béchamel. 3 cups milk, warmed for Béchamel. 1/4 of a teaspoon ground nutmeg for Béchamel. Half a teaspoon salt, or to taste, for Béchamel. Pinch white or black pepper for Béchamel. 50 grams grated kaşar cheese, optional, to enrich Béchamel. 200 grams grated kaşar cheese for topping. Butter or oil for greasing the baking dish. Extra pul biber for sprinkling, optional. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius / 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Butter a 23 x 33 centimeters, 9 x 13 in, baking dish and gather all ingredients and tools. Bring a large pot of well-salted water to a boil. Cook the pasta until 1 to 2 minutes shy of al dente. It will finish in the oven. Drain and toss with a little olive oil to prevent sticking. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until soft and translucent, 4 to 5 minutes. Stir in the garlic and cook 30 seconds more. Add the ground beef and cook, breaking it up with a spoon, until no longer pink and lightly browned, 5 to 7 minutes. Spoon off excess fat if needed. Stir in tomato paste and cook 1 minute to deepen flavor. Add crushed tomatoes, paprika, pul biber, oregano or thyme, 1 teaspoon salt, and black pepper. Simmer 8 to 10 minutes until slightly thickened. Stir in parsley if using. Taste and adjust seasoning. Make the Béchamel. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Whisk in the flour and cook 1 to 2 minutes, stirring until foamy but not brown. Gradually whisk in the warm milk, a little at a time, until smooth. Simmer 3 to 5 minutes whisking until the sauce thickly coats the back of a spoon. Season with salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Stir in 50 grams grated kaşar if using. Remove from heat. Combine the pasta with the meat sauce in a large bowl, tossing until every piece is well coated. Assemble. Spread half the pasta mixture in the prepared dish. Pour over half the Béchamel and sprinkle a little kaşar. Add the remaining pasta, then top evenly with the remaining Béchamel. Smooth the surface and finish with the remaining grated kaşar. Sprinkle a pinch of pul biber if you like. Bake on the center rack for 25 to 30 minutes until bubbling and the top is golden. For extra color, broil 1 to 2 minutes at the end, watching closely. Let the casserole rest 10 minutes so it sets for clean slices. Garnish with extra parsley if desired. Slice and serve warm with a fresh salad or pickles on the side. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Afiyet olsun.